In the book of Judges, chapters 17 and 18, it is written that because there was no king in Israel, every person did as they saw fit to do. Throughout the Old Testament is recorded many times for our edification, the statement concerning the hard hearts of the children of Israel. Their hearts were the issue, and the law or the Torah was pointing out their condition, as it is written in Galatians chapter 3, verse 24. Too often, as a people group that rightfully values the Torah, we get lost in applying the law as we see fit. We struggle to understand what the law means to us just as they did in the book of Judges. However, it is written in the book of Matthew that Yeshua said, "The law and the prophets are fulfilled with love for Elohim first. Then and only then can we truly fulfill the second part, which is loving your neighbor." Matthew chapter 22, verses 37 through 40, Jesus said unto him, "Thou shalt love the Lord thy God with all thy heart, and with all thy soul, and with all thy mind. This is the first and great commandment. And the second is like unto it, Thou shalt love thy neighbor as thyself. On these two commandments hang all the law and the prophets." In Matthew chapter 7, verse 12, it is written of Yeshua saying, "Therefore all things whatsoever ye would that men should do to you, do ye even so to them. For this is the law and the prophets." Yet when we look into the law and the prophets, we miss what Yeshua is saying. Instead, we are swept away in the spirit of what we perceive the law is and what we perceive our job is. What is that? Calling out and condemning the sins of others without love or relationship. Yeshua, our King, came to serve. He built relationships with his people. It was through his relationship with them, and now with us, if he lives in us, that he lovingly corrects us because he loves us, and we love him. It's written in John chapter 7, verses 34 and 35, that Yeshua goes further when he says, "It is by your love for each other that they will know you are mine if you love them the way that I have loved you." If the Ruach has poured forth his love in our hearts, as Romans 5 writes, then we lead in love and not in judgment. Sin is still sin, wrong is still wrong. Just as recorded in the New Testament, there is a time and a method that we are to follow to deal with sin. But love does not look like judgment without relationship. If you are part of the kingdom of heaven, love looks like the tender Ruach that lives within us, lovingly correcting, guiding, and teaching us. Abba Father is not angry with us. He doesn't need to send people to yell at us. We have been reconciled to Elohim through the body of Yeshua. We are his children whom he loves.